This is the 2019 Subaru Forester, and in this video, I'm at the Subaru Ultimate Test Drive event to have a look at the exterior, interior, as well as a quick drive with the 2019 Forester. Drive the car, let's go ahead and do a quick walk around and see what's new. If you haven't noticed, Subaru isn't really known for making revolutionary designs. Case in point, you can easily mistake the 2019 Forester with the 2018 model. Up front are sharper headlights, wider and bigger grille, and a redesigned bumper. On the side are sharper creases that run along the body to the windowsill, presenting more character and dynamism, while the creases on the wheel arch enhances the crossover stance. It's at the rear that contains the most notable change with the overall exterior design. A redesigned taillight wraps around the body and it has this cool claw-like shape. I know design is subjective, but it's safe to say that Subaru loyalists would appreciate the handsome and refined design. Interior design wasn't really Subaru's strong suit in the past. The 2019 Forester changes that perception, and it's here where the term all new is present. Front and center of the dash is Subaru's Starlink system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Standard equipment includes a dual-zone automatic climate control, push-button start with keyless entry, and a backup camera to name a few. There's also a slick vehicle information display on the top of the dash that shows vital vehicle status. Interior design and quality is definitely a step up with soft touch and padded materials found throughout the cabin. Space for occupants is generous thanks to the boxy and upright greenhouse of the car. It's easy to find a comfortable driving position, and the seats are soft, large, and supportive. The back seat has plenty of leg and headroom, plus it has amenities like a USB outlet and rear air vents. Also generous are storage cubbies found inside, from the center armrest, center console, and large door bins enough for a big bottle. Cargo space is rated at 32 cubic feet and the seats fold 60/40. A power tailgate is available. Now it's time to drive the car. Thanks to the Forester's ride height, ingress and egress is easy. No need to climb up nor down. Motivation comes from a naturally aspirated 2-liter direct injection 4-cylinder boxer engine. The pistons are horizontally laid out, not vertical, so the Forester has a lower center of gravity and a balanced ride. Power delivery is linear, which is made possible by Subaru's Lineartronic CVT. I know some people will prefer the previous gen's punchy 2.5 turbo engine, but the naturally aspirated engine should be enough for most consumers. Standard across the range is Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system that also includes active torque vector by braking, vehicle dynamic control system, and an optional special X mode for tough terrains. Steering feel is light and the suspension soaks bumps pretty well, which makes for a comfortable ride and confident driving. As with previous Foresters, the large windows and low beltline makes its way on the new generation. With that, visibility is great and the cabin feels light and airy. In addition, the optional panoramic sunroof stretches all the way to the second row. Safety equipment includes 8 airbags, hill descent control, ISOFIX anchor points, and an optional EyeSight driver assist technology, which is a camera-based system that scans the road ahead and avoid any impending accident. It includes lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and pedestrian detection, to name a few. With high demand for crossovers nowadays, automakers are battling for the latest and greatest. But with the Forester, you can expect generous space, convenient features, and a safer ride that makes the everyday adventure more exciting. Before I end this video, I'd like to give a quick shout out to Wheel Gallery. They are the ones that distributes NATO tires, Concept 1 wheels, and Black Rhino wheels. They had this awesome setup of a Subaru Outback on display. If you want to know more about their products, I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot with the 2019 Subaru Forester. You can visit Subaru links and contact details in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button together with the bell icon to get notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ and thanks for watching.